Hi, in this video, we're going to be talking about some of the supplemental benefits that OSM offers. I am Eric Hermanson, recorded many of these videos that hopefully you've watched and enjoyed. So let's dive into it. Again, the only insurance carrier that you need to remember as it relates to our benefits package is Blue Cross Blue Shield. They are the insurance carrier for these supplemental benefits that we'll talk about. And when you think these supplemental benefits, I want you to think of AFLAC. That's basically you have some event that happens, an illness or injury, and assuming you have the right coverage for it, you get a flat dollar amount payout. So let's talk about the three that we offer. The first is accident insurance, and it's basically what it sounds like. If you get into an accident, and you can elect family members to be on this plan, broken bone, burn, coma, even. There's a full list of different types of accidents and what their values are. You get a flat dollar payment when those things occur. The beauty of being partnered up with Blue Cross for all of these is that assuming that the claim goes through medical insurance with Blue Cross, then it will automatically be processed for the accident insurance, same with critical illness and hospitalization. But if you don't have our medical insurance through Blue, but have one of these plans, you can still submit a claim. It's an online process, and we're happy to explain how that works. So the payments for the accident insurance can range from as little as $50 in some case to as much as thousands of dollars. It depends on the severity of the accident. The next benefit that we offer is a hospital indemnity insurance, and that is if you have an overnight stay in a hospital, especially at more than one, you get a flat dollar amount paid to you for each overnight stay. If you have Blue Cross, it's automatically processed because they're going to be getting a claim for that hospital stay as well. The critical illness, the bottom one that you can see on the screen, that would be is if you have an illness, cancer, some sort of genetic disease. There's a whole list of different illnesses that somebody could be diagnosed with. And based on the coverage level that you can pick either a $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 critical illness policy benefit. There's a percentage payout based on the severity of that illness. If it's a long-term chronic serious illness such as a cancer, it could pay out as much as 100% of your elected benefit. So if I had a $20,000 policy, got diagnosed with a certain cancer, and I'd match it up with the summary plan description for the benefit, and I'd get a specific payout. We'll just say if it was 100%, I'd get that $20,000 payment. You can elect your dependents on this plan too. And all these benefits, assuming you can elect different family members onto it, that will increase the cost based on the more people that are added to it. And you can play around during the enrollment process through ADP when you're looking at these three options. So that's how those benefits work. Reach out to the HR team if you have any specific questions. But thanks for watching.